So with our knits, they are all natural yarns. They are 90% merino wool and 10% cashmere. But to have that beautiful soft hand feel, you really need to take care of your garments. So I want to show you how I look after it. So I use a cashmere comb and I use special cashmere hand wash as well. And this is what's really going to help your garments to look beautiful. So what you do with the cashmere comb is you hold it at a right angle and short movements in the direction of the yarn. Now it's quite a slow process. It's not something you're going to do in 5 minutes, and as you can see on the cashmere comb there, you're left with all the little bubbles. So the recommendation is to only wash your cashmere knits every second or third time you've worn it. If you want these beautiful natural yarns that feel amazing on your skin, you really need to look after your garments and you need to care for them appropriately, and they will last a lifetime. And I find it so therapeutic to sit in front of the TV and just take my time. I could be doing something more useful, like maybe some accountancy, but playing around with cashmere is much more my vibe.